Okay, now that we have our blog page set up, I'm going to show you how to add a new post and add an image to that post. So it's pretty simple. As you might guess, you just click on New Post. Once you do that, that actually just creates a new page in here, and it's underneath your blog page. And you can give the post a title. In this case, I'm going to just use a blog post that I did on my personal blog, and it's called Accidental Parade. And so I'll put that there. In this section here, this is where you actually do your typing, so the text of your blog. So whether you're turning in an assignment or reflecting on a video, there'll always be some writing element to it. And so you'll put that right in here. I'm going to again just paste this from my other blog. I see that I have a typo here, so I'll fix that. And then you always want to add some kind of media, so an image, a video, something, so that it's not just a title and text. And so I'll first show you how to add an image. This is me talking about a accidental parade that I turned the wrong way on a street and was entered in a marching band parade, and I was kind of stuck in that for a few minutes. So I think it'd be good. I don't have an image of that parade, that actual parade, so I think it'd be good to find an image of a marching band that I can put in there. So I'm going to use this sxc.hu. Deloro has an account here, and you can get that username from your teacher in class, and the password from her or him as well. And I'm going to just search for marching band. This will pull up royalty-free images that I can use, and I'll find one here that looks good. I like that. I'll click on it there, and then I'll click download. This will pull up a high-quality image of that marching band parade. Now this is bigger than I'll want to use, but it's at least the size that I can work with it with. So I'm going to, in this case, just save it to my desktop. You'll want to save it on a place on your computer where you can access it real easily. And then I'm going to go into Photoshop, and I'm going to go ahead and open that image. And it's on my desktop, and it's got this name that's just a bunch of numbers. So I'll open that here. When you're putting an image on your website, it's important to think about two things: the dimensions of the image and the resolution of the image. Now the image dimensions right now, if we go to image size, we can see that the width is 800 pixels wide by 600 high, and the resolution is 72. 72 is good. That's where you want it to be at if you're going to put it online. It's the resolution and the best that you can show on a computer screen, most computer screens. So we'll leave that at 72. Now the pixel dimensions, 800, it's too wide. Our whole website is going to be about 960 pixels wide, so you don't want that to go all the way across. We may want to say, let's have it go about halfway across or a little less, so let's set it to 400 pixels wide, and we'll click OK. That'll resize this image so it's looking real nice there, and then we'll go File, Save for Web and Devices. And this will optimize that image for the website. We can see here it's about 30 kilobytes, which is a good size for our website. And we'll click Save. And then we'll want to name it something helpful. Marching band, we'll save it again, we'll save it on our desktop. And then we're going to upload it from there. So, coming back to this untitled or this accidental parade post, I'm going to put my cursor right here at the very beginning, and I'm going to click Insert Image, and then I'm going to choose File, and I'll find from my desktop where I saved it, I'll find that marching band image. Click Open, and I'll see it there, and I'll click OK. Now I'll have some options for how I display that here. So if I wanted it to just be at the top and have my text under it, I could do that. If I want to wrap my text around it, which I think will look kind of nice, I can do that there. If I want to, right now it's set to a link to that actual image. I'm going to actually remove that link so it just displays nice and neat there. And I think that's looking really good. So I'm going to go ahead and click Save. And that's adding a post with an image in that post. Once we click Save, you see it shows up there. Now if we go back to Video Production Blog, This is our main blog page. We'll see we now have this accidental parade post, and every post that we do in here will show up just as a list on this video production blog page.